Hi friends, it's Claudia. I have been here in Provo, Utah for a while, and it's been snowing and raining, but today is a beautiful day. And I think it's time for me to take my scooter down. But before I do that, I want to show you how I do it and what kind of ramp I have. I am very short, 5'2".
Did you have to kind of wrestle with the idea that I am a short person?
And a regular ramp, I couldn't, I had the strength. I'm very strong. I'm short, but I'm very strong. But the challenge is when you take the ramp up and I get to the middle of it, I don't have the height to keep going. So I had to find a different kind of system. And that's what I want to show you in case you have the same vertical challenge that I have. So let me show you. By the way, this is a piece of crap. I bought it before my trip and it's all ripped now. It has holes everywhere. See the holes? Not good. It's the open. Let's see how my baby is. It's even worse than that I thought. Look at this big hole. And here's my baby. This is a Vino 49cc. It doesn't go fast, but it goes. This is my secondary type of transportation if anything happens to the Mini or if I just want to go and tour towns. This ramp is called the Ultimate Max Hauler, and I'll show you how it works. I'm gonna do the best I can to show you, but the space is a little restricted. What you wanna do is to undo this pin first. And sometimes it's really hard. I did this myself and I did it very tight. Now the pin is out. Let's do the rest. So now with this little tool, I'm going to release the air in the pump and the whole thing, it will go down. I still have the straps on for safety reasons, of course. You want to keep the straps on until the end. See, the whole thing came down. So you just put this little piece here, release the pump, and now everything is done. We want to put this piece at the end of the ramp here so the scooter can slide down easily. weather is quickly changing and I haven't shown you how to get the scooter on the ramp, so I'm gonna do now before the clouds get up here. When you have it here, rest it a little bit. Get a strap, and just for the moment being, you just want to support it a little bit. This strap is temporarily here, just to hold the scooter in place while I lift the ramp. So what we want to do is to put this tubing here and the pump, and then you start lifting. And then you just start cranking the pump. And then you want to line up the holes so the main pin can be screwed in. So the final step with this would be to line up these holes, and once they're lined up, you want to screw the main pin in. And that's it. Then you strap your bike or scooter and you're done. And there you have it. I hope that this was helpful for you. I think this is a very easy solution, especially for us girls. I can do this by myself. I can reach what I need to, and it's safe. The ramp is the ultimate MX hauler. I have owned it for a couple years and it has served me well so far. If you know of any other ramp system that you think will be even better for me, please do let me know. Leave me a little note in the comments. I hope to see you in the next video. Ciao.